Hey, it's me, Anita, coming to you with a collab hosted by Poetspice. And in this collab, we are supposed to use one of these designers. And they are Anna Griffin, Elizabeth Craft, Spellbinders, and Diamond Press. So, once again, I'm going to use Anna Griffin. And I'm going to use an older Christmas box. So I'm using this one this time. And these are just some of the stuff that's in them. I'll tell you, these boxes you can use and use. So that's the box I used for this time, and these are the results I have. Okay, I'm not going to open up the insides. I have them in, but 1, 2, 3. All right, that's all I have for today. For those who have subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing. For those who haven't, I'd appreciate it if you do. And until next time, you guys have a blessed day. And do not forget to look below at the participants who have participated. Thank you.